back, everybody. Excited for today's video because I'm going to be unboxing and flying the drone I just got. So Amazon Prime Day came and went, and I took advantage of deep discounts and purchased this DJI Mini. So this is not my first drone. I've had a few toy drones before, but you know, those things fly all wonky and they're kind of weird. They're not too reliable, cheap plastic, and they're just little toys that you fly around the house. You don't do any serious flying with. So let's go ahead and open this guy. Yeah, my daughter definitely wants to see this thing.
That's the remote.
So looks like that's the battery. No, that's the drone itself. Yeah. Okay. There's the remote. All right, let's get this remote open. All right, here's all the blades and got the charge cord right there. My daughter is a character. Okay. Okay, there's instructions, so I'm gonna read through these and get this guy ready. Looks like there's the propellers right there. It's a pretty basic kit. It doesn't come with the case or anything like that. It just comes with the bare minimum, so you can get started flying. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get this thing ready and charged up, and let's do some flying with it. Okay, we're not too far from my house, just out here, getting ready to fly this sucker for the first time. Well, kind of first time. I cheated last night and was flying it around my house, which I don't think you're supposed to do in closed places, but it was still fun. And then I kind of flew it outside in the neighborhood a little bit. But I want to get a daytime flight here. So it is breezy though. Man, we haven't had clouds and wind in a while. Of course, today, when I have my drone, that's when the weather comes. It's super overcast and breezy. So I don't know how it's gonna do with the drone. I'm kind of nervous. I'm just gonna take it really easy. I'm gonna fly over here, maybe over here a little bit, and come back and see how it goes. So let's get to it.
Check out this house. Holy crap. They're building a big guest house, it looks like. And a pool house. Just look at that tile work around their pool. Incredible. Some people have a lot of money. Good for them, though. Well, let's continue on. Recognize this house? Yup, that's the Stradman's house, a big car YouTuber. I believe he has enough room for 24 cars, maybe more. If you don't know his story, go check it out. It's incredible to see the journey that man has been on. James's neighbors sure have some incredible backyards. My goodness. Looks like someone's working on James's bat cave. That'll be awesome for him when that gets completed. Now we cross the canal back into the regular neighborhoods. I'm honestly surprised how well this little DJI is doing in the wind. Drones have come such a long way since the first days. Well, that was awesome. I can't wait to use this little guy more often in my videos. Again, thanks for watching this video and supporting my little channel here. Catch you in the next one. Just kidding.
So a little bonus here. As I was editing this video, my drone case came. So let's go ahead and unpackage this guy. So it looks like you get some straps, hold things together, and to put it over your shoulder. Sling the old case over your shoulder. Interesting smell. So I've got the remote here. I believe it goes right there. And then the drone itself. Looks like the battery just goes right there. And I guess anything else you'd want to keep. SD cards if you want, but I'm just going to return this, I think. I don't know. I'm going to think about it. It is nice that it saves to your phone, but it's also nice to have its own storage space so you don't have to deal with it on your phone. Very nice. Very handy. And that's that. Cool. Nice little case.